Shares of XPENG are on the move after Chinese EV maker presented its new technology platform with expectations of reducing operating costs. XPENG's smart electric platform architecture, the SEPA, if you will. It aims to shorten the research and development cycle for the future models by 20%. I mean, business talk. We're all about the acronyms. Why not?
Yeah,
just created one on the fly there.
AI.
Actually, no, that's what it's called. Actually, I have it here in my notes.
SEPA.
Yeah,
really.
There you go. 2.0, actually.
It's hard to, it's interesting because this comes at a time where Tesla's out there cutting prices across the globe. And now here is XPENG coming out with something to help lower its costs. I think this is a reality of the EV industry. If Tesla is the dominant player in the industry globally, and it is, and they're out there cutting prices, some of these other companies that are trying to rival Tesla are going to have to find ways to bring down their cost of production. And I think this is very much what you're also seeing from legacy U.S. automakers like a GM and a Ford. Now, with this will likely come some short-term financial pain for these companies. Maybe it's something that I think a lot of investors don't appreciate, but it's also why you see a GM trying to cut $2 billion out of its costs over the next 2 years so it can reinvest those profits into lowering its production costs for EVs. Yeah,
two things here. One on the models and one on the market where they made this announcement. XPENG's going to be able to roll this out on the models front to their G6 Coupe. That also debuting at the Shanghai Auto Show, Auto Shanghai 2023. And then additionally here, you think about the fact that all of this is being announced in tandem with this broader auto show in mind, where Tesla's going to be absent. And our own Prof Superminion has kind of broken down the strategy around that. Of course, Tesla has had another major move forward on kind of battery power, or megapack rather, production within the region, in being able to chart a path and breaking ground rather, and then bringing capacity online there. So perhaps they have what they need, at least for right now, in order to continue to have a good relationship within the region, but also continue to develop. But I think for some of the other automakers that are looking to scratch and claw their way into some of the market share, global market share, and the demand that is coming in the EV landscape, this could be a big auto show that comes forward in Shanghai as well.
Right, and with this auto show, a lot of cool EV technology will show up. And I can't help but to think back to what Praz wrote. It's on the Yahoo Finance homepage, I believe, still, on Lucid over the weekend. He did a very thorough review of the latest Lucid vehicle. And the takeaway was, wow, this is a mind-blowing vehicle. But you pull up Lucid shares. Shares are down about 65% over the past year. Another EV maker that has to find some way to make money off of these really cool, amazing cars. And in order to do that, you have to be making these cars at scale, and you have to be lowering your production costs. And Lucid has not shown that it can do any of that stuff.
Well, Lucid is also going towards such an affluent consumer that how are you ever going to see mass market unless you take the entire Porsche portfolio client base and say, yeah, we're able to actually just shift all of them over into a Lucid sedan instead of that flashy 911 sports car, or that they've been able to.
I'm not saving up today for a Lucid, Brad. I'm saving up today for a Porsche. That is a statement car. I don't know anything. I don't even know what Lucid is about per se. Yeah, the car is cool, but I want a Porsche. I don't want a Lucid.
You can do better.
I can do better. Yeah. I want the Porsche.
Set your expectations higher.
I want the
Win
Porsche.
Lambo.
It's
Win Lambo, Sozzi.
It's a Porsche. It has the legacy. You just feel cooler. You feel like, I think, a better person you roll up in a Porsche than a Lucid. No offense to Lucid. I think your cars are absolutely amazing, but you're saving up today, I think, to buy that Porsche. And then that brings up the other question. You have to bring production costs down if you're Lucid and you're trying to make money off this stuff.
Which Porsche would you get?
Doesn't matter. I just want a Porsche.
Just anyone.
My brother wants the four-door Cayman. He has 4 kids, so I understand why he wants this. Not my style. Porsche. I have no kids, so I'm a 2-door Porsche type of guy. But again, I'm saving up for the Porsche, Brad. Yeah. I'm not saving up for the $150,000 Lucid.
Any Porsche. I wrote that down. When's the next day that you're hosting with me?
Well, my next paycheck is coming up soon, Brad.
Got you. Okay, got you. All right, I'll have a surprise for you next time.
Thank you.